So this Adler Tippa S was made by Triumph's Adler organization or Lidon group, whatever it is, made in Holland. To start adjusting the rail, first we remove the tabulator rule here. Then we remove the paper backing plate, this piece. We need to remove, there's a screw here, another here. Lastly, there's one here for the paper support. Then we unhook those springs for paper bale and another spring for the paper table. Then we can get fully access behind the platen, those tiny screws here. To adjust the rail, we undo these screws about 1 full turn. Never do more than 1 full turn, otherwise it came off and things get messy. We shift the carriage sideways, so with your hand squeezing both rails together and tighten those screws. So we do it this side, then we do another side when the carriage is hanging off from the body. To test it, we slide the carriage sideways to test whether the resistance is constant, and we can jiggle it a little bit with different positions to see whether it's too tight or it's still loose. You may need to try a few times. I did it with like 4 attempts to make sure everything is in good condition. And lastly, to adjust those screws, you have to make sure your screwdriver is in very good shape and it fits the screw head nicely. Otherwise, if you round up those screw heads, it's gonna get really messy and really difficult to remove those screws. And the other thing is, once you're done, you can have a quick check, like tilt the machine side in this way, and usually, sorry, the other way. The carriage should slide all the way with gravity without any resistance. That's pretty much all the tips about adjusting a very loose rail. That's all.